Kristin Cavallari were rumored to have been a thing when he filmed an ad for her line, Uncommon James. The two had a steamy photoshoot at Joshua Tree in Palm Springs, California, that had everyone wondering if they were dating. Although they both seemed to play coy about getting together, Cavallari confirmed that they did indeed hook up, and she said that he was the hottest guy she'd ever been with. This is so funny. Okay, if I were just purely basing it on looks, right? Like put every guy in a lineup, nothing to do with like chemistry, or just like, the hottest, Tyler Cameron. And believe it or not, you guys, I know this is really freaking hard to believe, he's hotter in person. It's insane. It's insane. So yeah, TC for you baby, she said on the November 28, 2023, episode of her Let's Be Honest podcast. Cameron rose to fame on Hannah Brown's season of The Bachelorette, while Cavallari is best known for her time on MTV's Laguna Beach and The Hills. Here's what you need to know. Fans reacted to Kristin Cavallari's comments on Reddit following Cavallari's comments about Cameron on her podcast. Many people took to Reddit to react. So jealous, ha ha ha, not even that it's TC, just that I've never felt that passion or heat with anyone before. Haha, maybe we all have our Tyler Cameron, one person wrote. I watched him puke on Special Forces and thought, yep, still incredibly hot, someone else said. 100% believe he's somehow hotter in person, a third comment read. He's a lifter, a fourth Redditor added. Like, we saw all this from him during Hannah's season, but he keeps getting better, kinder, he really is for real. He's a legit, girls guy, if that makes sense. I get the sense that it's really easy for women to feel comfortable safe with him, let down their guard, because you know he's one of the good ones, he won't hurt you. He always says, make mama proud, he really is, the comment continued. Kristin Cavallari previously denied having a relationship with Tyler Cameron despite the obvious chemistry between Cavallari and Cameron. The two never made anything official. In fact, they both denied having any relationship that went past their business agreement. In April 2022, for example, Cavallari implied that she and Cameron had a working relationship and nothing more. Tyler is the sweetest human being on the planet, such a great guy, I was so impressed with him, she told ET. I hired him to play my love interest in our fall campaign video. There is nothing going on. Great guy. We are not dating, I promise, she said. You know what's funny is everyone was like, she knew what she was doing. And I honestly did not think about it like that. Nothing is going on. He was a hired actor, okay? She added. For his part, Cameron also made it clear that he and Cavallari weren't an item. I'm very single right now, very single. Probably never been more single, he told guest host Mario Lopez during an interview on The Ellen DeGeneres Show, per E! News. Read next. Some fans think Rachel Recchia is dating someone from Paradise.